Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see the Leetcode question number 387, first unique character in a string. The question is, given a string S, find the first non-repeating character in it and return its index. If it does not exist, return -1. We are given two examples here. Our first string is Leetcode. Here L is non-repeating, E is repeating, T is non-repeating, C is non-repeating, O, D and E are non-repeating. Out of all the non-repeating characters, L is the first non-repeating character. It is in index position 0. So we are returning the output as 0. In our next example, the string is love Leetcode. Here L is repeating. We have another L here. O is repeating. We have another O in the code. V is non-repeating. V is the first non-repeating character. So the index position of V is 2. Hence we are returning the output as 2. In our third example, the string is AABB. Here we don't have any non-repeating character. Hence we are returning the output as -1. I hope the question is clear. Now let's get into the approach. The approach is pretty straightforward. We will create an empty dictionary and we will store all the character count. Next, we will loop through the string and we will count each character in the dictionary. Next, we will loop through the string again and we will check the dictionary for count 1. If we have character with count 1, we will return the index. If no such character exists, we will return -1. I hope the approach is clear. Now let's get into the implementation. Let's implement the solution. First, we will declare our dictionary. I'm going to name a dictionary as count equals to an empty dictionary. Now we will iterate through the string for C in S. We will count each character. Count of C equals to count dot get of C, 0 plus 1. If the key is already there in the dictionary, we will get the value. If the key is not in the dictionary, we will populate the default value as 0. If the key is already there in the dictionary, we will increment it to 1. Now we will iterate through the string again for I, C in enumerate of S if count of C equals to 1, then we will return I. If not, we will return -1. Return -1. Using enumerate function, we are getting the corresponding index and the character for each element in the string. I hope it makes sense. We will indent the code inside the function. Now we will run it. Our solution got accepted. I hope you like this video and I'm sure that you learned something new today. If you do like this video, please consider to subscribe and I'll see you in yet another interesting Leetcode interview question. Thank you.